So good morning, friends. Welcome today to our today's video. I hope you are doing fine and welcome to this session. And in our today's video, we are going to be talking about the basics in Linux commands. For beginners, basically. For the beginners, and we shall be boom getting into it right now. And if you have not been following me, please follow me, subscribe to my channel for more videos so that you may not miss any educative videos. So basically, today, if you have not installed VirtualBox, I would recommend you to install VirtualBox because it's what I've been using in today's video. Download your VirtualBox and install it. If you don't know how to install it, please visit my earlier video which I recorded, and please make sure that you install it. Um, After you have installed it, make sure you get the operating system that you want. I've installed Ubuntu, which is what I'll be using, as you can see here. Ubuntu is the Linux, it's provided by Linux, and Linux, we know it was invented by the man called Linus actually, Linus. So he developed it alone, and for many robust systems, they're running using Linux. So Linux is very interesting. Without going any further, it's good that we start the terminal because we're going to run all of this using the terminal. As you can see it here, it has launched. And if you have installed your VirtualBox and maybe the terminal is not opening, please just come to the settings and change the language that you are using. Okay, just change the language, and it will launch. Okay, so please make sure that you check that one out. Okay, so basically, to begin with, I'm going to begin with a simple command called pwd. pwd. It means print working directory. Maybe you have been working through you have been running many commands, and you need to know where you are. So you just print this command pwd, and it will tell you the directory where you are now. Okay. Let's assume that, and from there I can ls what's there. Can see all this is what is there. ls is also a command to list all the files that is within that directory that you are in now. So ls, take note of that, listing all the files. Let's assume you have a command, but you don't know the details around it. You don't know what basically it does. You just say man and then the command that you want to know. So I can say man ls. It will tell me the details of that command, and maybe I can know how to use that. And if you want to read more, you just keep entering or scrolling down. And if you are done, I just press Q to quit. Okay. There is another command called cd. Cd means change directory. So cd, then I cd to any directory that I want. So I can cd to desktop. So cd, and then I to the directory that I want to navigate to. Okay, so I can change the directory to desktop. You see now from here we can tell that I'm in the desktop. Okay, cd space and then desktop. Actually, you should take note of the wording because Linux is case sensitive. If it's capital, make it capital. Okay. Okay, if I ls there is nothing because I haven't created anything on the desktop. There's nothing. It's just new. I've just installed it. Okay, if I want to come out from that directory, I just cd and then space and then double dots. So if I can see now I'm out of that directory. So you have to take note of that also. Okay. Another command is cd. We have known how it works and how you can come out from my directory. So you can learn another command called of making a directory or making a folder. I'll be using these words folder or directory interchangeably because they actually mean the same thing. Okay, so if I want to make a folder, let's say on the desktop, I will first go to that folder or directory, cd desktop, and when I'm there, I can now create a folder. Okay, so we use a command called mkdir, make directory, and make directory. Then you specify the what, the folder name that you want to create there. For my name, for my sake, I'm going to call it test. Okay. So if I enter, and you see now there is no error, and if I ls, you can see that there is this folder which I've created there. Okay, so let's say that many of us we normally make this mistake, mkdir, and then we enter. It will tell you that there is a missing operand. Missing operand is the name of the folder that you want to create. So please always specify the folder, the name folder that you are creating. Okay, let's say that I want to move my, okay, let's change the directory. If you want to come out, just like that, cd space, then, and now if when I'm back here, if I ls, let's say I want to navigate to the documents folder. Okay, so I will cd documents, documents. Okay, let's say that I want to actually bring, if I edit from there, you see there is not, in the documents, there is a test folder actually. There is a test folder. Okay, so let's assume that I want to create there another folder, and then from there I move it to, let's say I want to create there, to remove this folder which is already there, test folder. Let's say I want to move that. We use a command called rm remove, okay, which means remove, and then dir, okay, dir directory, and then you specify the name, okay, and then if I press enter, you see I will have moved it, and it will print no more. By ls, there is nothing now. Okay, there is another command of move. Move. We can want to move a folder from a specific directory to another directory, so we can do that. Let's see, go to actually let's go to document, to desktop where we created our folder. Okay, and if we ls, we have there our folder there, test. Let's say we want to move it to documents because we saw that the document folder is empty. So if you come here, you see that the documents is empty, but on the desktop we have we actually have there a folder. So let's assume that we want to move it from desktop to documents, because you can see documents is now empty. Okay, so let's go to documents, go back to our terminal. We use a command called mv space, move the name of the folder that we want to move, name of the folder which we want to move, which is test. Okay, and then we have to specify the directory where the document is. So it is /home, okay, and then vbox user. Okay, take note it's capital V, so we have to vbox vbox user. Okay, then okay, and then the folder that you want, where you want it to go, so documents. Okay, like that. So boom, if you enter it, it will tell you that the file have been gone. And if I now cd to my documents, I can first come out from that folder where I am now, and then I cd to documents. And if I ls now, you see that there is a test folder. If I also come here, you will see that there is this folder which have been created there. Okay, so ideally, terminal is very easy and for everybody to learn. So thank you guys for watching my video today. Subscribe for the new videos that are coming. Please like.